There you go. Gonna have a little bath this morning, are you? Not quite sure what you want to do, really. Yes, we're not quite sure what to do. Oh, it's hard work, isn't it? Truly is. Bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, ready for the day. Very fidgety.